piece of glass can stay 600 kilometers of weight, kilograms of weight. The other side of this tunnel got better view, the best view.
They said we could take pictures, right?
This is a special treatment.
Yeah, this is amazing.
This is a very special treatment.
Yeah.
This is very special treatment.
Just for us.
I said you guys been to I said you guys been to Detroit, the DTC, the F-150. They got a tunnel, but not just no transparent. But
This is very good. We spent 2 days in Toyota.
Which map?
On the engine.
But Toyota was mostly about Kaizen and, you know.
Yeah.
Very expensive.
I'll put it in the speakers. You know, this management, the hardware is very good. Forecast, because it is everyone, not just me.
Yes.
Everyone got 25 years experience working on that station.
They just
maybe let's keep walking on and onto that the other side of the tunnel. It got the best view, and I'll explain what it does here. This is the underbody marriage station. It got 7 robots. 8 robots. 3 robots is holding front floor, rear floor, and the engine box. Put it onto this marriage station, and 4 robots are doing the welding, and that the giant robot called the Titan is picking the whole underbody assembly, put onto the line, and for the next station to do the respot. And on the left are the transfer stations for the body sides. See those 4 robots now welding, and the 3 porters robots are holding the rear floor, engine box, and front floor. They're holding it up and wait. And this Titan is waiting here. And these 3 are the buffers. You know, it keep a buffer for the before and after.
This is called the Titan.
Well, the
big one.
The big one, is KUKA, is the brand name called Titan. So this tonnage is 1 ton. It's the biggest tonnage for auto factories.
KUKA is also Chinese owned.
Yeah, I know. It's, I won't completely say that, you know, because global today's global manufacturing. That's a fashion, you know. You really can't tell which is which country owns what.
Yeah.
KUKA is a German group making robots. The shareholder is Chinese group called Meidi. The robot assembly factories in Shanghai, China, but there are a few parts of this robot imported from Germany and Japan. So it's the outcome of globalization.
So you bring in
Bring the underbody from that buffer.
But how do you put it in the buffer?
No, this Titan, see, he's picking it up,
Yes.
put it in the buffer.
Oh, he puts it in the buffer.
And put it in the buffer, yeah. If the buffer is full, then it takes from the buffer to this response station.
Okay.
There's the principle, first in, first out.
Right.
thing is this body shop is, sales of robots, like just, if you walk, put your helmet, put your big glasses on, you walk inside this shop, it's a big shop, you just see, we call this robot islands. This is the island for islands. So this is the best one. We got 286 robots in this shop, and a minor portion of the world is filled up by
It should be similar to this.
We're able to see this.
The body shop?
I want to see a body shop.